Tyler, preparations now well underway for Toulon. How are you and the rest of the squad feeling?
Yeah, very good. We've had a couple sessions together now, and it's been very high tempo, and we've seen that we've got a very strong squad.
You can see in the background here we're at the Vale, where obviously the senior squad meet up. How big a preparation is that for you?
Yeah, definitely. The gaffer said that he wanted to get us in and give us the best chance we can. So we've come to where the seniors come, and it's a great environment. Yeah.
And the Toulon tournament itself is a very prestigious tournament. You've probably heard about it in years gone by. So for Wales to be participating is a great occasion.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's great to get the call up to the tournament, and then for all the players to get here. But like the gaffer said before, we're not here to just make up the numbers. We're here to win games and get through.
And the spirit in the camp is good. It's probably been a while since you've seen the boys.
Yeah, definitely. So everyone's buzzing and talking to each other and just catching up. But yeah, we're buzzing to get going.
And for you personally, it's been a good season for you. A couple of loan spells and that real taste of senior football.
Yeah. I've had a few loan spells at Oxford and Shrewsbury, and it's been good to be in a first team environment.
And winning Young Player of the Year at Shrewsbury as well. That must be a personal accolade for you.
Yeah, probably the biggest one in my trophy cabinet right now. But yeah, it was a great achievement.
And for you personally now, on the short term, what are you hoping to get out of this tournament now?
Firstly, just to go into that first game and get the 3 points, score a goal, and go into the second game and carry it on. And I'm sure we can get through the group stage.
And just finally, you've played for Wales at 17s and 19s as well.
Yeah.
So this is a sort of next step for you, not just under 20s but under 21s.
Yeah.
In the qualifying campaign that starts in September.
Yeah, definitely. That's a big aim for everybody here, to prove that they can play in this and then go with the qualifiers in the 21s.